Tapos parang tumawag po siya para daw
Ang
po.
tatawag sa iyo ay yung sa law firm para sabihin sa iyo na makipag-coordinate ka sa sarili na lang law firm. Pinaglaluloko mo kami dito.
Kasi po nung yung
Sagutin mo muna ang tanong ko, sino? Kasi kanina sinasabi mo wala kang alam, hindi mo alam na ikaw presidente, hindi mo alam na ikaw ang corporate secretary, hindi mo alam yung mga pinirmahan mo. So there's a motion to cite Ronaldin Baterna under section 11, and there was a second motion by Congressman Acop. Any objection? Hearing no objection, Ronaldin Baterna is hereby cited in contempt.
Super Pinas TV. Super Pinas TV.
Magandang araw mga ka-super. Isang malaking issue na naman ang tatalakayin natin about sa Pugo. Itong Lucky South 99 Corporate Secretary na si Ronaldin Baterna ay opisyal na na-cite in contempt dahil sa pagsisinungaling sa hearing. Halos magkakabulol na, halata nga naman na kinakabahan habang sumasagot sa mga tanong ng Kongreso dahil nga hindi natugma ito sa mga unang sagot niya. At nakapagdesisyon ang komite na i-cite in contempt, ibig sabihin makukulong si Ronaldin Baterna ng 30 araw o 30 days. Yun nga lang ay doon siya sa bagong detention building na inagurahan kamakailan.
The penalty given to Sir Ronaldin being cited in contempt for 30 days to be confined doon po sa bago nating custodial center inaugurated at 1:30 this afternoon. So move, Mr. Chair.
Ito po yung first stage natin. Once na meron na pong na-held in contempt, yung ating committee,
May water dispenser at magkahiwalay na banyo para sa mga lalaki, babae at PWD. May mga CCTV camera ring minomonitor ng Legislative Security Bureau.
Isa itong kwarto. May sarili yang pinto, kaya pribado naman yung loob. May aircon din kung mapapansin ninyo, kaya komportable raw kung sino man ang mananatili sa loob ng kwartong ito.
Kaya posibleng dito nga siya i-detain. Biruin nyo mga ka-super ay parang hotel nga naman, fully air-conditioned, maganda ang comfort rooms at iba pa. May balita rin na dito din daw i-detain si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy pag naaresto na ang pastor. Ngayon, ang tanong mga ka-super, ano kaya ang nililihim ni Ronaldin Baterna ukol sa connections niya sa Lucky South 99? Maaari nga kayang ipinagtatanggol niya ang sarili para hindi makulong? O sadya nga bang natatakot siyang ibulgar ang mga namumuno sa Pugo, lalo na si Cassandra, dahil baka may pagbabanta sa kanya? Maaari din kayang takot siya sa mga Chinese kesa sa batas natin sa Pilipinas? Kayo na pong bahala ang humusga mga ka-super.
Ang dami niyang pagsisinungaling kanina pa eh. And she's been in the company since 2019 up to 2024 up to now. And this woman is really may alam siya eh, but withholding it for herself. Maybe kasi kilala rin niya si Cassandra. Ang dami niyang kilala doon sa... Well, anyway, I leave it to the body to decide on this. Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair,
Congressman ako, please.
may I know the parliamentary status of the motions?
Well, the parliamentary status, there was a motion initially to cite in contempt. First, yung si Ronaldin, and then the three incorporators. Then, he withdrew it just a while ago. So, now the parliamentary status is that was already withdrawn. So, if we will show compassion to Ronaldin Baterna, it's up to the body. So,
Mr. Chairman.
we decide. Yes, Congressman
Mr.
Paduan.
Chairman, just this morning, I have a motion to contempt Ms. Baterna, but I hold it because we give her a chance, no, to answer truthfully. Well, in fact, I already explained what is contempt. Tinagalog pa natin. So, alam niya na. Alam niya na yung consequence ng pagsisinungaling sa hearing na to. So, with that, Mr. Chairman, I move to cite in contempt Ms. Baterna in violation of our internal rules, Section 11, paragraph C of our rules. The violation is refusal to answer questions from the members of this committee. In short, she is lying, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
So there's a motion to cite Ronaldin Baterna under Section 11, and there was a second motion by Congressman Acop. Any objection? Hearing no objection, Ronaldin Baterna is hereby cited in contempt.
Mr. Chairman.
So, the penalty. Congressman
I give
Paduano.
the privilege to Chairman
Congressman Acop,
If
please.
you will recognize Chairman Acop
Congressman.
with regards to the detention. Please.
Mr. Chair, may I move that the penalty given to Miss Ronaldin being cited in contempt for 30 days to be confined doon po sa bago nating custodial center, inaugurated at 1:30 this afternoon. So move, Mr. Chair.
So there's a motion, put the resource speaker in the premises of the House of Representatives for 30 days. Is there a second motion? Second motion. There's a second motion. Any objection? Hearing none, said motion is now approved. Okay, so hindi kami masaya. Akala nyo masaya kami sa ginagawa namin, ha? Nahirapan po kami. Trabaho namin to, and we have to do our job. Hindi kayo nakikikooperate. Please, tulungan po natin ang ating bansa.
Mr.
Okay,
Chair,
any motion to for suspension?
Mr. Chair, just
Congressman,
may I ask one question to
sige, go ahead, Congressman Abante.
Attorney Roque, please.
Yes, Mr.
On
Chair.
August 6, 2024, this committee received a letter from Ronaldo Cruz and Nila Cruz de Guzman. Are you aware of this? No, you're not.
No, Your Honor. I
Okay.
have not been furnished a copy.
Now, it says here that they are actually accusing the Whirlwind Corporation taking forcefully the adjacent lots. And it says right here, there is also no truth to the malicious allegations of Attorney Harry Roque, counsel of Whirlwind Corporation, when he referred to as Cruz siblings to have allegedly conceptualized this project. Now, will you please answer that, Mr.
Well, Your Honor, I do not recall saying that it is the Cruz siblings who conceptualized the project. What I mentioned is it is the Cruz that has been involved in this project from the very beginning because they own the land and they leased it to Whirlwind. Now, I do not think I will mention anything regarding the children because the contract was entered into between the old man and Whirlwind. Now, it is in turn the children, the registered owners of the property, that filed suit against Whirlwind. But I think my statement, if I remember correctly, is that it was Old Man Cruz that dealt with Whirlwind from the very beginning, from the time that the lease was entered into, as in fact, it is Old Man Cruz, Roberto Cruz, who signed the contract of lease, only to find out that the registered owners were his children, including, I believe, Mr. Donato.
Mr. Chair, do you deny, therefore, the accusation of Ronaldo Cruz and Nila Cruz de Guzman?
Yes, Your Honor. My only dealings with the children is the fact that they are the adverse party in the ejectment case, Your Honor.
But you know for a fact, Attorney Roque, that the reason why Whirlwind Company bought the property is for them to put up a pogo hut.
I do not know that, Your Honor, because I only knew them in 2022 after the elections, long after the property had already been developed. No, it was already existing. Lucky South already had the contract, and as is apparent in all the discussions, I had no participation whatsoever with either Whirlwind or Lucky South until 2023, no, when I accompanied Ms. Ong to Pagcor.
Attorney Roque, Mr. Chair, if my memory serves me right, during the last hearing, you said that you knew that Cassandra would be putting up a Pogo Hub. You knew that.
No, Your Honor. I met them already. The Pogo app was already up. It was already up long after it had been constructed, in fact. I met them in 2022, long after it's been up, Your Honor. In fact, on the 2023 was when they asked for assistance already because nadispalkuhan nga daw po sila.
In
So,
fact,
hindi ko pa po sila kakilala when they were building it.
ibig sabihin, may Pogo Hub na bago kayo naging abogado. Nila.
Opo, nandyan na po yan. Nandyan na po yan.
Hindi nasabi sa inyo na meron silang Pogo Hub?
Hindi po sa kanila yung Pogo Hub. Ang sinasabi
totoo.
nila is,
And
sila
the thing
po
is,
yung nagpapaupa
Attorney,
na ginagamit po sa
alam
Pogo.
natin na yung pong Lucky South 99 Corporation, kay Cassandra din. Di ba? Yung
Hindi-
Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Corporation,
Hindi ko po alam na kay
ay kay
Cassandra.
Cassandra din.
Mr. Chair, hindi ko po alam na sa kanya yan. Dahil ang pagkakakilala po sa kanya at pumirma nga po siya dun sa mga dokumento na hinain namin sa mga korte, siya ay taga Whirlwind.
Okay, Mr. Chair, thank you very much.
Maraming
Okay,
salamat, Mr. Chair.
maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, everybody. I think we no longer have members who wanted to interpolate. And the next item of our agenda is other matters. If there are other matters to be discussed, Congressman Paduano, you are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, just a manifestation addressed to the Committee of Courts and to the three that was cited in contempt, but it was withdrawn by Chairman Abante. Now, actually, it was withdrawn not because we believe in your story. Okay? So I hope in the next hearing, this is just a forewarn to you. I hope in the next hearing, you will tell the truth. Or else, we'll be forced to cite you in contempt. Ano lang yan? Warning lang yan sa inyo. Sabi ko na nga, hindi ko mo withdraw ni Chairman Abante, you're off the hook. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Yeah, correct. And huwag niyo hayaang kami makaunang makakuha ng mga ebidensya. And if we found out that you have the connection with the owners of the Lucky South 99, then we will do what we have to do. So, thank you. Any motion?
Sorry,
Motion to
Mr. Chairman,
suspend.
isa pa pala, nakalimutan ko.
Is it motion
Until sa
to
contempt.
adjourn or motion to suspend?
Wait, Congressman Nabante. You are recognized, Congressman Paduano.
Anyway, Mr. Chairman, nakalimutan ko lang po. Miss Baterna, I just want to advise you, you have all the rights, no? Since you are cited in contempt in this committee, you have all the rights. With your lawyer, of course, no? To write officially to this committee, to the chair, if you want to file a motion for reconsideration. You have all the rights.
Your Honor, baka pwede pong humingi ng consideration. Kasi lahat naman po ng sinabi ko is totoo po. Tapos nung mga una po, may medyo mali lang po. Pero sinabi ko rin naman po yung totoo.
Mr. Chairman, I'm just giving you an advice because the contempt order was already approved by this committee. Isasabi ko nga, kung gusto mo, first hour tomorrow, you file na your MR to this committee addressed to the chairman. But of course, it's up to the committee to decide if your motion for reconsideration will be considered by this committee. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, any motion for suspension? Motion.
Mr. Chairman.
Parang ayaw nyo pa. Gusto nyo pa ituloy
Mr.
na.
Chairman, gusto ko na rin umalis kaya may I respectfully move that we suspend the hearing.
Point of order, Mr. Chair. I'd like to find out if
Wait. You are not yet recognized. Congressman Abante, now you are recognized. Let's put order. Public order and safety tayo. Go
Thank
ahead.
you. Is it
What is your
motion
point of order?
to suspend or motion to adjourn? Because is this there will be another hearing for this, or we are going
Yes.
to squad hearing already?
A while ago when we started our hearing, I manifested that we are about to terminate the hearing and move forward to the Quadcom that the plenary created by the members But now that there was a motion a while ago for the continuing investigation on some issues not related to the Quadcom, then it was moved by Congressman Paduano that we don't terminate our hearing, but let's just suspend
But
this hearing.
Mr. Chair, that would be an overlapping function. What I'm saying is, why don't we adjourn this hearing now, and then in the Quad Committee we have, let us again hear this
So we are just quarreling about adjournment and suspending.
yes, because if
I'll
it's
give way to you, my friend.
Okay.
So this committee hearing is now. Ay, hindi, it's a motion because there's a motion So
let me amend the motion to adjourn.
Mr. Chairman,
Mr. Chair, point of order. The movement of the motion has the right to amend
yes, correct.
this motion.
Okay.
So,
Anyway, the point of order of Congressman Abante was heard, and there is a pending motion by Congressman Acop on his motion to suspend, and the manifestation of Congress Abante is that we adjourn. So it is the correct. Congressman Barbers is correct in saying that the motion to withdraw is upon the movant who happens to be Congressman Acop. So, Congressman Acop, what is the pleasure?
Mr. Chairman,
What is your pleasure?
Chairman.
Congressman Paduano, sige, binigyan ka na ng
Mr. Chairman,
rights.
just a point of clarification. Because the motion of the Chairman Akop is to suspend. Now, if we adjourn, we have to establish a quorum again in the next hearing. But of course, if we want to terminate this, as I've said, marami pong resource persons na hindi nga dumating dito na with a parochial or local concern. Well, in fact, hindi pa nga ako tapos kay Chairman Arero, kay Secretary Arero, but you explain, Chairman, na sa next hearing na lang. Because we have also the rest. That's why, Mr. Chairman, again, I support the motion of Chairman Akop because we don't need to terminate this as of now. At the same time, we don't need to get the quorum again on the next hearing because of this motion to adjourn. We will just suspend unless we decide, and we can decide after this meeting, we will just suspend and we will decide. If indeed we will decide to terminate this investigation.
Mr. Chair, 1 minute.
Wait, you are not yet recognized.
One minute.
But, alam niyo, gusto ko kayong dalawang pagbigyan Ha? Isang suspension, isang
1 minute suspension muna.
1 minute suspension.